Open the pedestal drawer as far as possible and remove the contents. The 4 spacer pads are in place on top of the pedestal. These pads reduce vibration between the pedestal and the washer. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the hex head screws from both drawer slides. Remove the drawer from the slides and set aside. Push the slides back into the pedestal. Locate the transport bolts on the rear of the washer. Transport bolts must remain in the washer while the pedestal is installed to avoid possible damage. To avoid floor damage and for ease of installation and handling, put the unfolded empty pedestal box next to the washer.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install the washer-dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Position the drawer divider so that it will be near the top of the washer and gently tip the washer on its side so the washer is resting on the drawer divider. Partially install 2 of the 3/4-inch hex head sheet metal screws in the lower holes. Leave a space of about 3/8 of an inch between the screw head and the bottom of the washer. Note: if your washer has feet installed, remove them. Move the pedestal against the washer. Slide the pedestal's keyhole slots over the lower 2 partially installed screws. Position the pedestal towards the front of the washer and install the 2 remaining hex head sheet metal screws. Do not tighten completely. Align the sides of the pedestal so that they are even with the sides of the washer. Reach inside the pedestal opening and securely tighten all 4 pedestal screws.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install the washer-dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Tip the washer back to its upright position and move the washer close to the final destination. Note: be sure to remove the transport bolts from the back of the washer. Place a level on the top edges of the washer, checking each side and the front. If the washer is not level, adjust the pedestal feet up or down, repeating as necessary. Locate the 1/4-inch hex head screws on the top of each pedestal foot. Reach inside the pedestal and use a 1/4-inch hex head ratchet or open-end wrench to adjust the feet up or down as needed to level the washer. When the washer is level, use a 9/16-inch open-end wrench to securely tighten all 4 jam nuts against the pedestal. Important: the jam nuts must be tightened to avoid vibration. Pull both drawer slides out and reassemble the drawer to the slides with the 2 hex head screws. Place the divider in the drawer at the desired location. Close the drawer.